This demonstration shows how you can personalize individual attributes in the next generation supplier self-service registration flow. Next generation supplier self-service registration can now be extended to configure the properties of individual attributes, like configuring them as required or hidden. Until 24A update, personalizing individual attributes was not supported, whereas businesses need a user-friendly interface to tailor the registration pages based on factors like geographic region and industry. For example, one of the business needs is to configure taxpayer ID as required for United States. Business Rules, which is a user-friendly and easy-to-use interface, is now available to personalize properties of individual attributes using Oracle's Visual Builder Studio. It also provides option to add conditions for the personalization to be effective using predefined attributes. In 24A update, Business Rule support is available for the company details page, and in future updates, similar support will be provided for other pages as well. You can personalize the next generation supplier self-service registration pages using Oracle Visual Builder Studio. In VB Studio, you need to create a project and a workspace and then enter the workspace. For this demo, I'm already in a workspace. To personalize individual attributes of company details page using business rules, click on the Layouts tab and then Supplier Registration option. Under Supplier Registration option, there is a Business Rules tab. Click to open it. Business Rules is an improved interface designed to simplify the personalization task for users. Using Business Rules, you can change the required, hidden, and read-only properties of attributes, as well as add conditions for the changes to apply. A default built-in rule set is available that cannot be modified. To configure your personalization use cases, you need to create extension rule sets. Start with duplicating the built-in rule set. Provide a label and create. Let us configure dunce number as hidden and supplier type as required without any condition. To hide dunce number, change the hidden property, and to configure supplier type as required, change the required property. These changes are now always applicable. Let us now configure taxpayer ID as required for United States along with this configured rules. In this case, duplicate this extension rule to add a condition based upon country. Provide value of country in the country label. So if you notice, the condition says country equals United States. This means this particular rule set will apply when country selected is United States. The change required is to configure taxpayer ID is required. Change the required property of taxpayer ID. And you're done. You can now verify and publish your changes. Let us now see how these changes reflect on the page. Business rule sets are evaluated from top to bottom. In our configuration, the top rule set will be honored only when country is United States. But in this case, there is no value for country, so second rule set will be evaluated. The second rule sets had no condition defined and therefore will be honored. As per this rule set, the dunce number attribute is hidden and therefore is not shown, and supplier type that is configured as required shows as required. Let us select country as United States to satisfy the condition for first rule set. Selecting United States now shows taxpayer ID as required. As mentioned earlier, in 24A update, business rule support is available for company details page. In future updates, this will be available for other pages as well. When available, you can follow same steps to personalize those pages. This concludes the demo.